Hi guys, here's one shirt in a bajillion ways to style it. Hello my beautiful babes and bees, it's me, Ellie, back with another video. It's been such a while. If you haven't known me yet, I'm Ellie. I am a very small YouTuber who makes videos about fashion or just like different shit that I just want to share you guys. If I get to have an audience soon who actually cares about my life, if you want to get right to it, just click on the shortcut link down below. Other than that, I just want to explain myself why I was gone for like almost a year or so before I start filming again. So obviously I changed my hair. I live in a different apartment now. It's so cool. It's all concrete and I'm loving it. It's kind of expensive though. So me being like a hanabatake in my head, I've decided to pay my rent using YouTube if that's possible. But for now, I'm just gonna use this as a hobby to like have my creative shit out of me. And yeah. So what happened? If you haven't known me yet, I blew up with this one video of me teaching you guys how to do a crop top. I think I got like 100,000 views so far, and because of that I got like 1,500 new subscribers, which I can't believe just happened because I just had a hangover. And that video was filmed the next day after I drank so much. So obviously my face is different from now and then. Out of the videos I made, that was least time consuming and the easiest to edit. It was a great hit and I'm really thankful. If you haven't watched it yet, don't forget to watch that. If you don't know how to crop top your video, if you don't know how to crop your shirt without cutting it at all, I think it's genius. You should watch it. And yeah, so what happened to me during 2020, the last video I made, after that, like a lot of things happened. Actually, a lot of things happened in that year, even before I started doing different videos. The reason why I started doing different videos was because I need to take my mind off of different things, like me quitting my job, trying to go to Tokyo, but it didn't happen. My ex-boyfriend cheated on me. I had the most toxic relationship. I had a breakup. My grandmother died. I got scammed. And the only good thing that ever happened to me that year was that I learned that I am a part of the LGBT community and I'm proud of it. And that's one thing I learned about myself. I learned a lot of things about myself, but that would be in another video if I get to have like an A&Q video. Hopefully, if there's a lot of people who are actually wondering about me and my life. So yeah, now I am back from the dead, ready to make my videos. I've got my hoodie on. I don't have any pants on though. I got my lights on, I got my strobe lights on, I got my camera here, and I hope to get to talk to you guys. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Ask me some questions if you want, just talk to me. And we are going to get right to it. Ta-da! Here is my Burberry shirt. I only have one shirt in my closet, but I love this shirt so much. Just a disclaimer, you can do anything you want with the shirt. There's gonna be a few basic styling tips, and you could actually combine them in different ways, like flipping the collar inside, and tying it at the front, tying it to the back, tucking it in, whatever fits your aesthetic. So yeah, that's it. Now let's get right to the video. So the first thing you need to do is wear a simple top, and you just wear your shirt like a jacket. It's simple, it's chic, and it's quite fun. Adds more layers to your outfit. Another option is you could fold your collar inside and wear it just like this. Okay, so the next style is an off-shoulder style. Try to wrap your shirt around your shoulders, button it down loosely just like this. Right now I'm wearing a top, but you could just take it off. Tuck the fronts of the shirt in, and it's gonna look just like this. So the next one is very simple. You just tie the front of your shirt and that's it. But I have one technique to make your knot look a little nicer. Button up the two middle buttons of your shirt. I don't know what you call this part of the shirt. Just look at the video. Loop that part of the shirt through the hole between the two buttons. Gather the other part of the shirt and you tie it up. Just like this. We could also tuck in the back part of the shirt if you want. Oh, diba? Oh, pak. Okay, so for my daring girls out there, I'm gonna show you a new trick on how to style your shirt by using these nipple covers that I have found on Amazon. I'm gonna show you the link on the description box if you guys are interested. Do the same thing, tie the front of your shirt, and then you tuck it in so it doesn't get loose. And now you have this sexy cowboy style type of shirt. Okay, so the next one is wear your shirt backwards. You have different variations to style the back part. You could tie it. You could also tuck it in. Make sure when you tuck it in, try to cross tuck your shirt so it adds more silhouette and structure. Another way to wear your shirt backwards is you would also tuck the collars in when you wear the back of your shirt. And tie it like this. You could also have the top part buttoned and just to have it draped behind your back for that sexy feel. Or you could have it all buttoned up. Another way if you want to have your shirt more form-fitting is by adding a belt. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is an off-shoulder style. You will wear one sleeve of the shirt and wear it like this. And then adjust the shirt that would fit your body how you like it. And then you will try to button up the shirt. Get the loose sleeve and wrap it around your waist. Again, there are different techniques you could style this kind of top. For example, using a belt. Model lang po. Or you could tuck both the loose sleeve in a part of the shirt just like this. Or if you want a full fitting silhouette, you could tuck all of it in. Now you have a nice one off-shoulder top where you could wear it to the club. So the next one I'm going to show you guys is a simple tube top. Wear your shirt on without wearing the sleeves, just like this. Button your top and then you tie your sleeves in front of the shirt. Another way to style your shirt is not wearing it as a shirt, but instead you could style it as a skirt. So what you do is just like the tube top, you don't wear your sleeves, but instead you wear the shirt around your waist, button up, and then use the sleeves to tie the shirt around your waist. For this one, I opted for an asymmetrical style. I adjusted the shirt to the sides, didn't fully button up the shirt, so it looks like the skirt has a slit on the side, and it's gonna make you look cute. Another off-shoulder style, it's very simple. You just drape one part of the shirt off your shoulders and asymmetrically button down your shirt like this. So the next style is you button up your shirt like this, gather the front part of your shirt, and then tuck all of it right behind you, just like your past. So forget when you tuck your shirt in, make sure you cross tuck it. I don't know if that's the right way to describe this kind of tucking, but that's how I'm gonna call it from now on. You cross tuck it, just like this. So the next one is probably like a mix of all the styles I've showed you guys so far. So you do the off-shoulder thing, put one part of your shirt underneath your bra and over it, so it's easier to tie it. You tie the front of your shirt, except that it's gonna be a little shorter, just like this. You have the option to also tuck the back of your shirt as well. And voila! Now you have another way to style your shirt. Okay, so I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the notification bell down below just so I can notify you guys if I have a new video up. Don't forget to comment down below what videos you want to see next, and follow me on my social media. Let's be friends, don't be a stranger, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Wow. やばい、久々動画撮ったわ。めっちゃ慣れてないんだけど。